Alright, so Pinterest is my favorite platform and one of the best platform out there to get the external traffic on your Amazon FBA store. And not even Amazon FBA. For example, if you're selling your products on any platform like Amazon, eBay, Shopify, ClickFunnels, Etsy, or even you're writing a blog or you are running a YouTube channel. So you can find Pinterest very helpful to drive external traffic to your blog, to your product listing, or to your YouTube video. Because Pinterest is basically a very large search engine on which there is already audience present. And this is a quality audience and 70% audience are having the intent of buying. That's why this is one of my favorite platform, and you can just confirm this from Google. Like all of those online seller or online business owner who use Pinterest as their external traffic source, they have actually grown their business too much into a less amount of time with the help of Pinterest. But at the same time, when you're running an online business, I know that it will be super hard for you to be active on many of the platforms at the same time. For example, you are doing Amazon FBA and you want to bring external traffic from Pinterest, TikTok, social media like Facebook. So it will be very hard for you to manage all of these accounts at one time. So for that, Pinterest has just launched a very cool feature in which you can just do the whole work of 1 week, like 7 days into 1 day or maybe in 1 hour. And that feature is post scheduling. Because for example, you want to be active on Pinterest. So for that, you need to create 1 pin or 2 pin regularly and upload them regularly in order to engage with your audience, in order to get traffic. Like if you post daily on Pinterest, you can get daily impression, daily clicks, and you will be able to grow your audience. So that audience can go to your Amazon FBA or any of your store and purchase product from there. So to make this task simpler, Pinterest have launched the post scheduling feature for you. So you can just sit on your table anytime in a week, like maybe Monday, and create 7 posts on Canva simultaneously, and you can just schedule all of those 7 posts at a time. For example, you want to post 1 pin on Monday, then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So you can just schedule all at one time and give the rest of the days of your week to your other businesses. So now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually schedule your posts on Pinterest so they can automatically get published every day and you don't need to even look at this regularly. But before getting started, I'm Uzair and I run multiple online businesses like Amazon, eBay, Shopify, affiliate marketing, and YouTube. That gives me financial freedom and allow me to travel the world without having any worry of 9-to-5 job. So if you also want this freedom to working remotely from anywhere in the world, then make sure to subscribe to the channel to learn more about online earning for free. And if you're confused at where to start, then you can just simply visit the link ways2sellonline.com/start. So you can just find some useful material from there and get a complete roadmap from where to start. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on Pinterest.com right now, and here I have just opened my dashboard. So normally if you want to publish a pin, you just need to go on this create button, and from here you need to click on create pin. So we will do the same for that here, and to upload your pin, you must need to drag or upload your pin here. So I have just already created my pin on Canva. Here you can see this pin is basically for one of my video which I called how to change Amazon brand name. You can just go on YouTube and search for this video. If you type on YouTube how to change the brand name on Amazon, you can find one of my video here. So let's just open this video and copy the link from here. So we can just put that link on my pin so we can get traffic. So here you can see that this is a pin. I can just share and I can just download this pin from here in JPEG. Now go on Pinterest and open that pin from here. Alright, so as you can see here, this pin has been uploaded here, and I have already copied the link of that video which I want to embed in that pin. So let's go down and just paste the destination link here. So this is my YouTube video link. So here's the pin and here's the link. So here you can see that I have already put the title here for my pin, and here I need to put the description of my pin. So this title and this description already include all of those keywords which I need to rank on Pinterest. So if you want to learn more about Pinterest keyword research, you can just go on my Pinterest playlist on my YouTube channel, and you can find many of the free videos here from which you can actually learn how to do the Pinterest keyword research and how to actually get rank on Pinterest and post your pins to some other boards, so you can just get more and more traffic in less amount of time, and you can just grow your Pinterest account in 1 month. So let's just go back on the topic. So here you can see that I have just put the title, the description, the pin, and a destination link here. So after filling out all of this thing, I can just click on publish immediately or publish at later. So if I click on publish immediately, select the Amazon board from here and click on publish, so that pin will be published automatically right now on my Pinterest page. But for example, if I want to schedule this post for tomorrow, so I just need to click on this second option which is publish at later, and here I need to put the date and the time. For example, today is 16th February, so I can just schedule this pin for 17th February, and from here I can just set the time, let's suppose 4 p.m. So here this pin will be automatically published on 4 p.m. So here if I set this date and time and click on publish, then this pin will be scheduled and will be automatically published on 17th February 4 p.m. So just like that, I can just design all of those 7 pins for my whole week at a time from Canva and schedule them one by one for each day. Like this pin is for 17th February, I can just schedule one for 18 and other for 19, 20, 21, 22. So after doing this work for 1 hour, I will be able to get myself free from the Pinterest for 1 week, and all of those pins will be automatically uploaded on my Pinterest page regularly. So if I just click on this publish date, you'll be able to see this pin is already scheduled. You can see that this is the time and this is the date. And if I click on see schedule pin, so here I can see all of my schedule pin. So as you can see here, I'm only having one pin scheduled right now. So if you click here and schedule more of the pins, so you'll be able to see all of those pins here in this page date wise. So if you do this, so when this time will come, like 17 February 4 p.m, this pin will be automatically get published and I don't need to do anything. So this is a super cool feature which has recently launched by Pinterest. So if you also want to grow your Pinterest page and get the external traffic to your store, so I must say that you must follow this trick and you must schedule all of your pins for a whole week into one day. So in that way, you just need to do the work for 4 days a month, and regularly every day in a month, you will get publish your pins automatically. So in that way, you can just grow your Pinterest page and you can just get more and more traffic on your Amazon FBA listing or wherever you want. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.